Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel again. As in my previous video, I showed you a little bit about the desktops and the different parts of the desktops, including the notification bar, these two drop downs, and these little bit about these applications. Now in this video I am going to show you about the terminal. How can you access different files through command prompt? I will show you different commands. Now, there are two ways to open command prompt. First, you can click on command terminal. It will open here. Now it means root Kali. You are the base user. Root is the base user of the Kali user. Base user is administrator user, and here is the base user is root user. So you can access everything here if you are using your base user. So first command is ls command. Now I am already in home. ls mean list. List all folders and files that are in my home. As you can see here, desktop, documents, download, these are my files in home directory. Documents, download, music, this is that file, .log, these are my files. Second is pwd. It will show you the current directory. PWD means show me current directory where I am now. It will show you your current. Third is cd. Through cd command you can change your directory wherever you want to go. These are my folders in this directory. Wherever I want to go, I can go there. Now I want to go to downloads, so I will write downloads. The fastest way is to write the first two letters of the folder you want to access and then click tab key to complete that word. It will complete automatically that word for you. So I want to go to downloads, so enter. Here I am in download folder. ls, I want to see what folder, the folders in this directory ls. So there is no folder, this folder is empty. As you can see here, downloads, nothing is here. If I create new folder, name, new folder. Now here again write ls. It will show you that folder you created. And the second way to open terminal is Ctrl plus T. Press the combination of Ctrl plus T button and will be open. To see the different commands of KaliLinux, I will make another video for it. Link will be in description. See that video to learn more about the commands of the KaliLinux. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you can get notification whenever I upload a new video related to KaliLinux.